Hello and thank you for joining me. I'm Heather Forgan of stampwithnellie.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator based in the UK, and I have a quick little gift idea for you today. This fold is known as a diaper fold and is essentially just one piece of 6x6 designer series paper folded up and decorated. So inside mine I have one of these tiny little hand creams. So these are just a 10 ml, so it's more a sort of sample size than even your travel size, and two teeny tiny but super sparkly little nail files that I got from Amazon. I'll be honest, I thought they would be bigger. But it does fit really nicely with these. So these little hand creams, you normally get them in little gift sets rather than just buying them on their own. I tend to find shopping in the outlets after Christmas is a good idea. So my piece of 6x6, I want to just line up those two corners there, like so. And then, where's my bone folder? There she is. Just get that nice and neat. Okay, so I've got my corners are pretty neat on there. Now, I find it easier, and I'm going to move my grid mat up a little bit. You'll see my little corner holders. Saves me getting the corners all chubby and turned up. So I like to use the bottom line like that and line up that tip there. Okay, so we've got it nicely lined up like so, and I'm taking that one there and it will follow this line here. So that tip is going there, but I just want to make sure that this line, this edge, is straight before I burnish it. And then this one goes up here, and again I'm keeping my tip there, that's still straight there, and I want this one to, oh, I'm moving it, this one to be nice and straight too. Okay. Then I'm folding just one piece of the top down like so, and on this one did it right, and I've got that perfectly aligned there. This one I wasn't quite so accurate with. Okay, so you don't even need to glue that down. You can pop bits and pieces in there. So you could pop a tea bag in there. In fact, I've got a Christmassy one that I have made that has a tea bag that pinched from my lovely team member Emma's recent swap that she gave me. These smell amazing, and a little Biscoff biscuit. So that just fits in there, and that stays down when something's in it. So lots of ideas of what you could put in. I have another one of these little, oh, wrong way around, that way. And I do have some more little nail files, so they will go in there. And you could gift it like that, but I think it looks a bit nicer when you've got something on there too. So I have used Unbounded Love, and I went with that lovely big die there. Just grab that. And the Just For You, which is very well used, is a perfect sentiment, really. So, got a piece of white card here and my petunia pulp. Few taps, And I'm going to do it there because I do want to have a little bit of space around about it. That's going to go on like that. In fact, I need it to be slightly off center because I have the double leaf there and just a single one there. So slightly off center like so, and I can run that through my cut and emboss. But I do want those other lovely little leaves as well, so I do need to take this out. That one and that one. And I'm going to stick with Summer Splash to go with that as well. So sticking with the In Colors, I'll grab myself a little bit of Summer Splash and I'll die cut that and be back with you in just one moment. Righty-ho, so I've got my die cutting done. And I've missed a little bit on that, have I? No. So a bit that needed popped out. There it is. So I have my little pot of glue, and whoops, that's a little bit much. Don't need to put it on all of it, just enough to make sure it stays in place. And you kind of want to do the edges so that they don't get caught by anything. I have a few of these tiny little hand creams, so I'm making these as a little something to go on my craft fair stall. I've got 2 craft fairs this month. One in Kelso in the Scottish Borders and one in Prestonpans where I live in sunny East Lothian. It's kind of sunny today actually. So yeah, I'm looking forward to those. I love the Kelso one. It's at a Scottish Women's Institute show, which is nice because most of the people that are there are crafters and they appreciate the time and effort that goes into the little gifts and cards that I have on my stall. So let me take those out for now. You can, if you wish, add a little dab of glue to that just to keep it down once it's empty. To say it's not entirely necessary, and then I'm just adding glue to this which will keep everything in place anyway because it's going right across there. It is a fabulous little fit, like so. Pop my goodies back in, and I need to add a little bit of bling, don't I? Because this one has some Summer Splash. Let's see if I have enough petunia pop in this lot. Oh yeah, I do. Excellent. I do have another pack. And I'm going to go big one, little one, right way round. There we go. And a big one at the bottom too. Awesome. And because these will be on my craft saw, I will put them in a little cellophane bag, just to keep them nice and clean and to keep those dinky little nail files in there as well. So hope you've enjoyed this quick tutorial. These are such an easy fold to do, great for all sorts of little things. But I've also used them on cards, so just put glue on the back on there and put a nice tag with a lovely message on from your card as well. So hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. If you have, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. I love to read them. If you're new to my channel, please give me a click on that subscribe button and click the bell to get notification the next time I upload a tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next time, take care. Bye bye.